ONEN, Jiangmen ONEN Lighting Manufacturer. Hello. Hello, ONEN. Is Mr. Zhang Zeyu with us. Let's welcome our first company this afternoon session, ONEN from Jiangmen City. Hello. Hi. Hi, ONEN. Hello. Can you hear me?
哦，在这里开始。
Ah, I can. Hello,
这是我，
ONEN.
这是我。
Hello, hello.
Hi, I can hear you. Hi. Hi, good afternoon.
Hi.
Can I, would you like to turn on your camera? Because I cannot see
Yes, I
your
think
image.
so.
Okay. Oh, I see. I see you. Hi.
Hello, hello. Yes,
Hi,
yes,
good
we
afternoon.
see each other in the lighting fair before, you remember?
Exactly. We met on GILE Lighting Fair on site.
Yeah,
So,
yes.
so nice
You
to see
remember?
you
I
again.
remember you also.
Thank
Nice
you.
to see you. Turn around.
Okay.
Turn around. Hello.
Okay.
对。
Oh,
Hello.
Okay.
Can I start to introduce?
yes, exactly, Mr. Zhang. Thank
The
you.
signal is bit of break.
Don't worry. Take your time.
Okay. Just follow. Come with me. Okay. Great. Hello everyone, welcome to OEM Lighting. First of all, I would like to show you the section of ONEN. This is the because of the time is short, so I don't have enough time to introduce the full factory of us. So I just stand in our first floor, our office and the showroom place, and to introduce something to you. First of all, I would like to use this title. This is our history. You see, from the 2004, the founder, Mr. Zhongshan, defined the philosophy of the lighting. So he established the Ounen Lighting Factory. This kind of products, this one is the most popular items in that time, 2004. See, this is the start lighting of Ounen, start length of Ounen. Before Ounen is very small, maybe only few people there. And from 2005, see, this become longer. No have lighting source inside. That is popular items at that time. And you see the 2007 and 2008 also these titles. And you see the important times from 2009 and 2010. This COB has come out and become popular. COB is the most energy saving and the lifetime is longer, have many advantages. I think you must know the COB advantages. No need I explain too much. And you know, from 2011 and 2012, the COB size becomes small. That means the cost can be saved. But the heat sink is bigger because the small size COB can give big power. The heat sink need bigger. And now, from 2013 and 2015, the business, these titles in industry become smart. This one is the most popular items there. This is dimmable and color changing. That means the lighting have combined the smart control system. And you see, this one 2016 and 2017 is the most a new generation, because now people is not only want the lighting fixture, but they also want the comfortable and lighting and health lighting. See this one, the neon light. The neon light make the different style. Young people like this kind of. That's me from this year. The new generation come to the market and give us new style of lighting. Now you see, from these products, you see we have discover more items. People anti-glare items is more popular. Display replace to the COB type items. this is a deep anti-glare light. You see, I show you the difference than before. You see, this one is very big size, the old time popular items, and this one is more small, but can give the same power and more glamorous. This is our new products, new generation products, and I think the time will be more and more in the future. And here is our company certifications. Some of our company certifications. Please give the camera to see. This is the government certifications. And here is our products certifications. Those certifications shows owner have the enough ability to give you the best offer service and the best service of lighting. Now please come with me. I show you our products in the showroom. Here is our office. You see, our office has adopted the near light to do the lighting decoration. Okay, here is our showroom. You can see this is the details structure of this kind of lighting, which I introduced before. This is deep anti-glare. This is modular style. One modular can match the different frames. It's very flexible. And from 6 watt to 42 watt, from small size to bigger size. This is 15 watt. It's 15 watt. The size is very small. And the most popular items is 15.5 cut up. 15.5 cut up size. This one is a very popular items. I will show you the lighting efficient later in our showroom. We have displayed some items. This is give you very comfortable lights. Okay, you see, here is the square. The square can do this design. One piece square can connect one by one to do the whatever the shapes you want. You can compare by yourself. And you see here, we have different options of lighting. This one is the 1 watt light, 12 degree 1 watt light. Two sizes, 9 watt and 15 watt. This one, we have COB and SMT, 2 options. This is IP44, waterproof. You see, they have different sizes. You can choose what you need. Surface lighting, we have single, double, the 9 watt each light. And please come inside of the showroom. You see here is our overseas market products. This is very popular in Middle Eastern. Before our main market is Middle Eastern, and you see this. You can see this table lamps. This one is the old type. You see before this kind is very popular. This no have anti-glare, but now from the 2 years, market like this kind because they're not only focused on the lighting fixture, the lamp fixture itself. They're also like the good lighting, comfortable lighting. So this one come out. Customer accept this. This is MR16 size. This is the modular. It's also the different pathway. This is the MR16 modular. You can see. This is the MR16 frame. Have long, square, and a single, double, third. Have many different options. And this reflector, you can choose different color. It can make white, black, gold, and silver as what you like. And you see here, Here is our surface panel. This is really heavy. We will always do good quality products. This is very heavy and very good touch. And please come with me to this place. This one, the 16 watt. This is a 16 watt IP54. Used for very high, very big space. And also have small sizes. 15, 14, 13, 20, 15 have different sizes. You see, this one is also the surface round one. See, have small to big size. We have many different lights. What is and this is the long. This is very thick. It's really heavy. The quality is very nice. And those tables is our new light and project items. You see, these have glare lights. Can change the angle and the flood light. This is one wash light and surface one, surface tab. All of them have small sizes to big sizes. You see, there is this one is SMT products. This quality also very good. This one also very popular in the Europe and the Middle Eastern market. This is SMD. Here is the big power for glare light. All of them we can make 3 years and 5 years warranty. You see, this one is 350 anti-glare. It has single, double, third, three colors. And now I would like to show you our anti-glare lighting effect. Please come with me. You see, this one these colors as before I introduced to you this deeper anti-glare. Even I stand in this place, this lighting cannot bother me anymore. This is the deeper anti-glare, the lighting efficient. You see, from this way, even you coming to approach to it, it will not bother you anymore. These colors. And you see here has different options for CRI 30, 70, 80, 90, 95. You see, what's the same article here, but as the CRI different, it shows the different output. This is 45 degree, and this is 16 degree. You can see the light, the lamp is the same, but different angle. It shows the way. You see the different color temperature.
Hello, Ounen. Can you still hear me? I see I'm losing you a little bit in the showroom. Hello, Miss Zhang. Well, maybe in the showroom the signal is not that good. Hi, are you back?
And in the end, I have something to tell our 9 square meters. So actually, the lamps don't have the good one or bad one. It depends on the which style and which industry, which place you want to use. Then you can choose the different lamps. Not only that, this one expensive, then this one is suitable for me. No, not that. Depends on the place and the style which you like. And the owner can give you the design service. You just send me your inner design square, and we can give you the lighting, the decoration. Yeah.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Zhang. Wow, your wonderful introduction is really, really good. I was
Really?
touched.
Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
I was touched because ONEN has established like 17 years ago, and
Yeah.
generation by generation, your innovation is always on the way, always on.
Yeah, yeah,
No-
yeah,
no stop,
exactly.
no stop. That's really, really good. And I
Yeah.
really, I was touched because I heard that your product can be sold in Middle East, Europe, and like the United States or Russia, those countries. You
Yeah,
have
yeah.
certification, right? That's great.
Yes, yes.
And
yes,
you
yes.
have 3 to 5 years of a warranty to guarantee those products of good quality in
Yeah.
good function. Wow, that's really good. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Anything else you want to show us, or next time join the Lightstrade factory tour? Next time you will show us something more in the ONEN. And I think today's content of ONEN is quite good and impressive.
Oh, thank you, thank you.
Thank
Okay,
you.
because today the time is not enough. If
That's
if later I have if later I have enough time, I would like to introduce of full of our factory to you.
Wow, that's great. Don't worry about that because our Lightstrade event will carry on this month, next month, and you got enough chances and enough time to introduce next time.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Thank
Okay.
you. Wow,
Nice-
that's
very
very,
nice
very
to
good.
see you.
Very nice to meet you. So
Nice
have
to
a good day and see you and see you next time. Thank you.
Okay, see you. Bye bye. Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye bye.